The kingdom of heaven is like a grain of mustard seed that a man took and sowed in his field. It is the smallest of all seeds, but when it has grown, it is larger than all the garden plants and becomes a tree, so that the birds of the air come and make nests in its branches. Matthew 13. The majestic eastern white pine stands above all others in our forests. Its crown is visible for miles. This circlet is rightly awarded for, as queen, she is provider and protector in her realm. There is no argument. From top to bottom, she is a pillar of the forest and of an entire ecosystem as well. The white pine creates habitat that others in the forest cannot. She not only provides nesting and resting spaces for a diversity of birds and mammals, but also nourishment for them from her buds, bark, needles, and seed. In her trunk, the pileated woodpecker, barred owl, red-headed and red-bellied woodpecker, great horned owl, the tufted titmouse, and common raven find burrows. Remarkably, both predator, the owl, and prey, the tiny white-footed mouse, find safe haven alike in her bowl. In her branches, she can hold the small tree frog and the nests of the mourning dove, but also the nests of the mighty osprey and the eagle. It is the white pine that enthrones the majestic eagle as they nest within her canopy. Her unique branch structure and tree height makes it ideal for a nest, lookout, and hunting perch. Even Mama Bear has found the white pine to be an ideal resting and play place for her young. Bear cubs have found these strong branches apt arms to hold them while she forages for food. Is that not enough? No, there is more that she provides. Birds and mammals alike find their nourishment from her. She provides seeds, needles and buds, bark, and the ever-abundant insects for the animal's sustenance. More than 16 species of birds find her pantry ample. Songbirds, peckers, chickadee, and nuthatches, blue jays and juncos, chipping sparrows, pine siskin, warblers, and grosbeak, but also forest dwellers such as the porcupine, the red, gray, and flying squirrels, pine marten, white-tailed deer, voles, and mice, all taking their fill of seeds, bark, foliage, as well as all that inhabit her extensive realm. It is the smallest of all seeds, but when it is grown, it is larger than all the garden plants and becomes a tree, so that the birds of the air come and make nests in its branches. And might I add, all the above forementioned. Matthew 13. Let the fields be jubilant, and everything in them. Let all the trees of the forest sing for joy. Psalm 96. And may we, dear Lord, sing for joy knowing your embrace. May we be inspired in faith by the mighty pine which you created, not only for all the life that is sustained by her presence, but also that we might imagine the kingdom of heaven. We believe. Help our unbelief.